am Mr. Sanjay K. Bhadke, presently working as an assistant professor in Department of Civil Engineering at Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Friends, today we are going to perform the practical of Transportation Engineering 1, and today's our practical title is Specific Gravity of Fine Aggregate. You all know that specific gravity plays a very important role in the mix design. So today we will see how we can calculate the specific gravity for a fine aggregate material. So what are the various apparatus that we are using for today's practical? So here first we require the picnometers. Here you can see these are the various picnometers. It may called as a glass jar which we are going to use today for this practical. So here you can see there are 5 numbers of picnometers that we are going to use in today's practical. The second one is for the performance we require distilled water. Basically we know that in our civil engineering, in every laboratory there is distilled water. So for this practical we are going to use distilled water. And the third material which we need for this practical is fine aggregate. So here we are taking this sand as a fine aggregate and we are going to calculate the specific gravity for this fine aggregate. So here these are the various materials and these are the various equipments those we are going to use for this today's practical. Also for weighing we require a weighing machine. So here you can see this is the weighing machine. Through this weighing machine we can take our readings. So student, you can see this is the glass jar which is called as the picnometer, and this is very important equipment those we are going to use. So first today we are going to take total 4 reading. W1 means the empty weight of this picnometer. You should remember W1 is the empty weight of this picnometer. Then W2. So W2 is include the weight of this picnometer plus weight of this fine aggregate. What we have to do? We have to fill this sand up to the 1/4 of this height in this picnometer, and then combinedly we take this reading W2 as a weight of picnometer plus weight of this sand. You remember one thing, that you have to fill this sand or a fine aggregate in this glass jar or picnometer up to the 1/4. This is very important. This will be your W2 value. Then what will be our W3? We will fill this picnometer plus this sand with a distilled water up to this tip, and we will remove all the air voids. So that will be our W3. And finally we will take the value W4. What this W4 include? This W4 include the total weight of this picnometer plus the weight of this distilled water which is filled up to the tip of this picnometer. So this way we are going to calculate various weight. Then in terms of weight we will calculate the specific gravity of the material. Already I told you the specific gravity is one of the important factor in the mix design. It should not be so low, it should not be so high. If it's so low or it's so high, then it will affect on the mix design, or there may be the irregular shape in the mix design. So now we are going to perform the practicals. So here this is the picnometer. First we will take the empty weight of this picnometer. So I am weighing So when we put this pycnometer here, we will get the empty weight of this pycnometer as a 650 gram. So you note one thing, when you calculate or observe the reading, you should observe this reading in gram only. So weight of this empty pycnometer will be 650 gram. So you note down the W1 is 650 gram. This is the empty weight of this pycnometer. So this will be our first reading. Secondly, we will take the second reading, which is called as the W2, where W2 is the weight of this pycnometer plus weight of this fine aggregate, which we are filled here up to the 1/4 level. So now I am weighing this. This will be the W2 and this value is equal to 997 gram. So you can observe this value as a 997 gram. So you please note down this value. W2 is the 997 gram. Now students, we are going to take the third reading. So what will this third reading will include? So this third reading will be weight of this pycnometer plus weight of this sand, which we are filled here up to the 1/4 level, and weight of this distilled water. We are filled this distilled water up to the tip of this pycnometer. You have to do one thing. You have to mix all this material very properly like this and remove all the air voids. It is very important. And you have to remember one thing, that you fill all the water up to this tip. You do like this. When you mix this distilled water with this fine aggregate material, you have to mix in this way and you have to remove all the voids. After removing these voids, you take the weight of this, and this weight will be 1708 gram. This weight will be 1708 gram, and this will be our W3. You note down W3 is equal to 1708 gram, which include the total weight of pycnometer, weight of sand, and weight of distilled water. After taking the value as a W3, you have to remove all this material. You remove all this material and wash this glass jar or pycnometer properly. You can remove all this material like this. After removing this material, you fill this pycnometer with the distilled water. So now you can see, we remove all this material and now we fill this pycnometer with distilled water up to the tip. So this is our W4, which include the weight of this pycnometer and weight of the distilled water. So now we will take the reading. So this reading will be 1250 gram. So you note down W4 is 1250 gram. So this way, to calculate the specific gravity of fine aggregate, we will take the three readings. W1, which is the empty weight of pycnometer, and it is observed at 650 gram. W2, it is the weight of pycnometer and weight of fine aggregate. W3 is the weight of pycnometer, weight of fine aggregate and distilled water, and W4 is the weight of pycnometer and weight of distilled water. So student, this way we have to take four values: W1, W2, W3 and W4. So friends, we have performed the practical of specific gravity of fine aggregate and we have taken the four reading. So we know that W1 is the empty weight of the pycnometer and it's observed at 650 gram. Then W2 is the weight of the pycnometer plus fine aggregate. So we have taken sand as a fine aggregate and its weight is 997 gram. The third reading is W3 and it includes weight of picnometer plus weight of fine aggregate plus weight of distilled water and is equal to 1708 gram. And W4 is the weight of picnometer plus distilled water, so it's found as 1250 gram. So our reading W1 is 650 gram, W2 is 997 gram, W3 is 1708 gram and W4 is 1250 gram. So these all are our observed value. Now how to calculate the specific gravity in terms of weight? So you can see this is the formula to calculate the specific gravity of fine aggregate. So according to this formula, W2 minus W1 divided by W4 minus W1 minus in bracket W3 minus W2. You can see this formula once again. W1 minus W2 minus W1 divided by W4 minus W1 minus in bracket W3 minus W2. So when we do this calculation, we will get the final value as a 2.34. So we can say that the specific gravity of the fine aggregate is equal to 2.34. So there is one range that the specific gravity should not be exceed more than 2.7. So here our value is equal to 2.34. So this is the correct value and we have find the correct specific gravity of the fine aggregate material. Thank you.